So they're asking us the operation that we are undertaking. So this is operation 1, and this is drilling. So you can choose which type of casing. Are you running a casing? Is it drilling? Is it stripping? Saturating? So you choose one of them, but not both of them. So for now I'm going to choose the drilling, and they're asking what is the prior operation. Then I'm going to leave that, and then they're asking what is the next casing string. I'll choose the production casing. I'll come here and double click drilling operation, asking for the days. There are 10 days, so you choose, put in all this information. So for today we are going to leave it like this. We come to the drilling fluid. These are the values for the drilling fluid. If you want, you can change them, and the average inlet temperature, if you want, you can maybe increase it to 100. This is in degrees Fahrenheit, so we can say 110. Okay, 110. So click on apply. So we come here and click on string. They're asking for the drill string information, so we can choose that we have a drill pipe. What is the outer diameter? We can say it's up to 5. So we put in the information of the drill string, because we say the activity we are undergoing is drilling. So the drill pipe. So you go as per the program for this information, and then so we have put in our drill pipe. We shall add in the next one, which is the heavyweight drill pipe. We choose the size. We are still going to use 4. So you go as per the program, put in this information. So the grade, you choose the grade here. So I'm going to put in the last one, which is the drill collar. Drill collar. Okay, there's that I didn't fill here. That's why this is disturbing. So I'm going to use the drill pipes up to say 4,000 and 400. So we add in a drill collar. Which is its size. And then we choose the weight. Remember, I'm doing this for purposes of learning, so put in all this information, choose the name, so you have to put in the size of heavyweight drill pipe. We are going to say it's up to 1,100. Okay, so after that you can choose the nozzles, the quality of your nozzles, and the size of your nozzles. So these are the bit. This is the bit. So you choose the quality, and if you want, you can choose the total area in square inch, and you don't put here the quality of the nozzles. You can say maybe can call it 2.1. Let's choose that, and then we click on apply. We clicked on apply, and click on OK. So we filled all this information. So what we're going to do is shall click on OK, and then come and click on the next. So the software is telling us that there is an error under row 3 where we have the casing and tubing outer diameter equivalent to hole size. So we have to correct that. So under row 3, this is 1, 2, so 3. So we have to make this one slightly smaller. So we come and correct it. Okay, I hope we've corrected this. So since we've corrected, we have to put this again. Choose the grade again one more time. So I'm using a random grade for purposes of learning, but when you're at work, please, we don't use random grades. So we don't use random grids, so this is only for purposes of learning. So I hope we are together up to this point. So we come back here, so click on OK, and then I'll click on next. It is still bringing for me the same error. Let me go back and try to work on it.